Okay, but the reality of it is it's all driven by demographics. Either you have the density of the people in your area or circle or radius that you're looking at, or you don't. And you can't manufacture people. They're either there or they're not. So if you're in an area where you're probably a 1 mile, 3 mile, and 5 mile demographic report, that's what the distributor wants to give you. And I'm going to look at the 1 mile and say how many competitors are in that 1 mile. And then I'm going to look at the demographics of that one area, and I'm going to make an educated guess on a determination of how many of those are my clients. And it's usually just renters, and I'm just talking about rental units, not physical people, but rental units. And I'm going to multiply that number by probably $70 per month, and that'll tell me how much money is being spent in a certain area every month to do their laundry. And you've got to divide that by 4 laundromats, and you're going to say, geez, that's 50,000. So there's 4 laundromats. That means every laundromat can only do about 12,000. And I'm going to say that's about right. So is it a little more? Could be. A little bit less? Could be. What if one guy's got 30? Well, the other ones are really, really struggling. So I like to talk about turns per day because everybody gets excited about turns per day. And people will give you projections on turns per day, and it's just a mathematical equation. But I need to study the demographics and my competitors to find out, is it possible for me to do more than the 3 or 4 turns per day that I'm doing? And if so, how? And then, and if so, how? And then how do I get there? What do I need to do? Do I need to change my equipment mix? Do I need to change my vend prices? Do I need to advertise? Do I need to have, so I'm looking at more than someone telling me, yeah, if it does 5 turns a day, you're going to do this much volume. I know that I can do the math, but do I have the fuel? In other words, do I have the people to get me there? And if I do, then I'm going to concentrate on those people to get them to come in to get my turns per day up. Question.